first step in our finishing process is in here. Can't really tell you because I can't really show you when it's on because it's extremely loud. But after forging, we have all this scale, and some people like to wire brush it off, but that takes time and it's really dangerous. So instead, we throw it in there, and they all knock around together, and it rubs all the scale off. And after it's done in the tumbler, then we load it into our pizza oven. Okay, so we're just going to light our repurposed pizza oven here. Heats all our metal up to about 800 degrees, so we don't have to do it one by one in the forge. We've got it all in bins here. We've got it all tied up, so we can do it a bunch of times. It'll take about half an hour, so we'll check back when it's ready. Alright, so what I'm doing is our finishing process for everything that we ship to people on the website. It's essentially the same finish as what's on a cast iron pan. This really nasty goop has a bunch of olive oil and beeswax in it, and that's what goes on all our products. Once we come out of our pizza oven, we dip it in our nasty goop and we let it dry, kind of exactly like French fries. And then we come over here to Nikki's station, and we have wood chips. And basically what they do is, it's really oily and gross, and these basically just soak up all the extra oil so we don't have to use rags. And then we use a little air to get all the dust off.